I got this camera for $800, but if you use my code, you're gonna get it for $799. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Enangandolo and you can call me Ena. You guys know my channel is all about lifestyle, fashion, and YouTube growth. So if this is your first time for tuning in into my channel, you're welcome. If this is your second time, or if you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you so much and you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna be talking about how I record videos using my iPhone. A lot of you guys have been asking me, how do I record my video? How are my videos so bright? What kind of lighting do I use? In this video, I'm gonna be spilling the tea for free. Okay, so if this video is what you want to see, stay tuned and I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get into it. So guys, first of all, I've been looking at my nose. I don't know, you all see how beautiful this looks. I'm gonna be doing a video on how to put falseness. I did this, so if you want to see this or if you want to learn how to do this, comment below in the comment section and I'm gonna do a video for this. So let's get right into the video. How to record using your iPhone. First of all, do you have an iPhone? Or do you have a Samsung? Any phone you have and you're thinking of starting your YouTube channel, that is why you actually clicked on my channel, then this is the right video for you. Okay, the first thing is to have a phone. If you have a phone, you're good to go. You're ready. There are a lot of big YouTubers that have been filming with their phones and they have like thousands of subscribers. You don't need to get the most expensive camera to film your video. You can start with your phone like what I'm doing. So if you have a phone, that is great. You can start filming your video. Number two, your storage space. You have to make sure that the space you have in your phone is actually what can record your video. You don't want to be filming and your phone is like low storage and you have to go into your phone and delete some photos, videos and everything before you can come back to film again. Always make sure you have enough space before you're filming. The third thing is, okay, I don't want to be like some of those bloggers are gonna be like, hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I got this camera for $800, but you can use my code and you're gonna get it for $799. Girl, are you serious? $7.99, just $1 out? We don't got that kind of money. Like, we don't have that kind of money right now. You can't be beginning your channel and you don't know how far it's gonna go and you're getting like a camera for $1,000, ring lights, studio lights and everything. Just start with what you have, okay? So the next thing is, when filming, you wanna make sure you're filming in landscape mode. For those of you who don't know what landscape mode is, it's like this. This is landscape mode, which means you are filming like this and you are not filming like this. Because if you film like this, it's very distracting. You don't want those two black bars at the side of your video. It's not gonna look professional. Okay, so the next thing is, once you have your phone, you have to make sure your lighting is okay. You could get yourself a small tripod. They're not expensive. You could get what is affordable for you. You could mount up some books, lean it against, like you put your tripod, you put your phone and you're recording. You could also use natural light. For those who have like windows, if you have any window in the house, you can't tell me that your house doesn't have a window, girl. Like, where are you living? Under the ground? So if you have a window or if you have lighting, natural light is the best. You just need to open up your window. Like most people film in the afternoon, but I can film any time of the day because I do have a ring light. So you just open up your window and you put your phone to face you and you can just start talking all the blah 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 you have to talk. Next thing is the editing apps. Now, when you're recording on your phone, there are a lot of apps that are free that you can use to edit your video and everything. I'm going to be doing a whole video on that. But for me, when I record, what I use is iMovie. I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit your videos using iMovie. The next thing is, when you're recording, girl, you need to wipe your camera. Like, there's a lot of dust and stuff on it. If I'll advise you, don't use the front camera because the back camera of your phone is actually stronger than the front camera of your phone. So you need to wipe it. You could use anything. You could use a t-shirt, you could use t-shirt, you could use your wig, girl. Use it to wipe your camera and there you go. The next thing I want to talk on is using Focus AE lock. Okay, for me, I don't use that. Like you can see when I move, my video moves. I don't use that because when I use it, I notice the lighting, it's not okay. It's like very yellowish and something like that. But okay, I'm gonna show you guys. Like, this is me filming with AE lock. and this is me actually filming now without it. So for me, I think it's not really necessary for me to use it, but you want to use it so that you focus on your video, so that when you move, it doesn't move alongside the way you're actually moving. The next thing is use a mirror. Most of us feel that, okay, when you're recording, you want to use your phone camera because you actually want to see yourself when you're recording. But then again, you could put your camera, you do like a little video with the background you have, you come and check that, like you stop it and you play the video to see if you're facing the camera, to see if you're actually like where you are supposed to be, and you leave your camera there and you sit down or stand up or anything you want to do, you just do your video like that. You could record and check yourself, you record and check yourself, record and check yourself. So those are the ways that you can actually do when you're recording your video. Another thing is your video quality. Now, when I talk about video quality, I need you all, like if you're recording with your phone, this is going to be a game changer for you. If you're doing this, like you go into your settings, I'm going to be putting it like, I'll put a slide here so you can see that. You go into your settings and you're going to go into video quality. Now, there is 1080p, there is 4K. You want to put your phone to record at the maximum, like the highest video quality. I put my phone to record at 4K, but you need to know that with 4K video, when you're exporting them from your iMovie directly to YouTube, they take a longer time to upload, but the quality is just the same. You don't want to use another video, like another editing app, or maybe an app that when you finish with your video, you go into the app to actually edit your video, and when you're about saving it to export it into your camera roll, it's gonna hit down the quality of your video and your video is not gonna be bright, you know, so you don't want to be doing that. Next, guys, before we continue, guys, if you have not seen a video of how I actually put on my false lashes, I'm gonna leave that here. And I also have a video on the YouTube topics you can use to actually boost your channel. I also have Netflix suggestion. Just make sure you check all my videos somewhere. Like why are you gonna be moving? Like, I don't know why my chain has been moving. Can you just stay there, girl? Like, okay, guys, so if your video quality, when you're uploading, make sure it's at 1080 or 4K. A lot of people record with their iPhones 5. As long as it's not iPhone 4, you're good to go. iPhone 5, iPhone 6, 6S, 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus. Yeah, a lot of people record with that. So I've given you all the tips. Now for the editing apps, you have to know that for iMovie is actually great when you are using it, and it's quite easy for beginners. You have like, it has sound effects in it. It has the fonts that are available, but the fonts are really basic compared to other editing apps. You could actually do your voiceover in iMovie. Like, a lot of people may not know this, but once you import your video, if you do a video, probably a hair video without any sound, and you're just like doing the application process, after you could go into iMovie and you could actually like do your voiceover. I'm gonna be doing a video on how I edit my video using iMovie. I don't use any other application. I use only iMovie to edit my iPhone. You could use any phone you have to record your video. And if you've made it up to this point of the video, I love you so much, and go down below and comment beautiful, so I know you actually made it till this point of the video. I hope you all love this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Please, please, please subscribe to my channel. And I'd like to thank you all so much for 250 subscribers. That is a huge army. Thank you all so much for that, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. You all know I love you, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.